the misconceptions around, generative AI for engineering and simulation are the same misconceptions that we've had in simulation for the last, generation or two. And that is the belief of what the cost or the difficulty is, right? And again, these tools are changing about every 6 months, right? Simulation tools are changing every 6 months. AI capabilities are changing at least, or I'd say at most every 6 months, possibly even, faster than that. If you're not paying attention, okay, then you're automatically going to have an outdated view of what the capability of these tools are, of what the cost of them are, and of what the complexity and the difficulty is, right? As we just continue to move forward, the cost is going to go down. And I'm talking total cost. I'm not talking about licensing costs, right? Software companies have invested interest to increase their licensing costs, presumably over time. But at the end of the day, the cost of using these tools, the total cost, there's always a human labor, there's a hardware cost, there's training data cost. The aggregate total cost is going to continue to go down. The capability is going to continue to go up. And I think the misconceptions out there are just misalignments between you read a blog once a few months ago, or you got a piece of data from some podcast, self-serving here, some podcast that you believed, but you never corroborated it. I mean, at the end of the day, you got to stay at the cutting edge, talk to people, talk to a variety of people, get your news sources, get your technology sources from multiple areas. Don't just hone in on one particular source, and do it often. Otherwise, you're going to have an outdated opinion.